Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So the imminent bullish setup risks invalidation very clearly. Yeah, so we're approaching the key level where we could get into trouble. Well, at least from a short-term bullish perspective, an imminent bullish perspective, we could then still find another bullish one. There is one more bullish setup which will exist if we break below our yellow support area here on the Solana chart. Key support here is the $20.80 level for this scenario, in which we have a possible 1-2 setup and another 1-2 setup. Unfortunately, price is now very close to the 78.6 retracement. Now, I have to tell you that at the moment, with what's going on, a lot of the bullish setups we have on the chart, they risk sort of invalidation at some point. Yeah, they risk invalidation. This one will be invalidated below $19.45. That doesn't mean that all bullish options are gone, but below 20.83, the 1-2 setup here will get unlikely, and it will be formally invalidated below 19.45. Yeah, because you don't want, or it's not allowed for a wave 2 to go below the wave 1 low. But what's another option then? Well, there are basically two more scenarios that could play out if we break below the $20.80 level, which means everything is basically turning into a mess, because it will be very hard. Trading will be very difficult because you have now little clarity on this chart. So the first scenario, which I might actually prefer, is the one in which we came down here to the 10th of March, but it was, at the moment I'm counting it as wave 2, also due to the length of the sell-off. It all worked out quite nicely, turned around in the anticipated area, everything's fine. But if I count this as a wave 2, yes, but then obviously this move up is currently only in 3 waves. So I would then, in the alternative perspective, count this as an A wave, the move up in 3 waves as a B wave, and then a breakdown now in 5 waves, yeah, in a C wave. And we could use everything all the way down to $12. So really only below $12, I would get really concerned long term about Solana, and new bear market lows are going to be primary expectation. There is, however, one more bullish setup beforehand, and at the moment, as you can see, I'm counting it as a 1-2 setup. However, it's going to get challenged, and I'm not too confident 20.83 is holding. If it does, even better. But the alternative perspective would be wave 1 to the upside. So yeah, wave 2 bottomed on the 10th of March, as currently here on the chart. Wave 1 to the upside, but then here as well, the move down was not a wave 2, it was just an A wave. Here a B wave top, and we now come down in C. In this particular scenario, we should certainly hold above $16.20. So there will be further support below. But yeah, because you have support here, and you will have support lower. Basically, this is now entering support again all the way down to $12, which makes trading difficult. A common approach or a useful approach might be just to scale in. Yeah, be mindful of position sizing, maybe only doing on the spot market due to the uncertainty we see here. I'd be careful on the long side as long as we don't see a strong or at least some kind of a reversal signal here on the Solana chart. Obviously, it needs to do a break above the wave 1 high, which is here at around $26, to indicate that we're now in a third wave rally. But yeah, we've got 3 scenarios at the moment. They are all still bullish. It's just a question of how deep is the price going before the market is satisfied with the correction. And I gave you all the key levels that are relevant. Just be very mindful that below $12, things are going to turn very ugly. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.